Hey, what's this book? Is this different? Hey, Jim, can you show us a tip?
Are you drowning in your emails sitting in your inbox? There is a way to work smarter, and that is right click on your inbox, come down to new folder, and enter one read emails and go OK. This folder will now sit under your inbox, and more importantly, you can select all the emails that you no longer need but want to keep a record of and can move them into that folder, which means the only emails sitting in your inbox is emails you're yet to work on. Now that's working smarter.
I must go and tell my mates to join the revolution.